Hello and welcome to the San Jorge channel. The name of this speech is called Interpreting Dreams. You're running, it's dark. You're running as fast as you can because someone is chasing you. The forest floor is sketchy and uneven. You run fast and the darkness seeps in. You don't know what to do. Someone is after you. You keep running, all you see are your footsteps, one in front of the other. Suddenly, you fall. You're scared and you don't know what to do. You close your eyes and you scream as loud as you can, but no sound comes out. You breathe in, you open your eyes, and realize it was all a dream. What you just experienced was a nightmare. A nightmare is a horrible, horrible dream. But what is a dream? A dream is nothing more than a succession of images, thoughts, and ideas that occur in our mind involuntarily. According to Webster's dictionary, we see a dream as thoughts and visions and sensations that are created in our minds, in our imagination, and that are certainly not real. Or are they? It's hard to say that a dream is not real when I wake up sweating after having dreamt I fell off a 10-story building. Imagine. Or when I wake up tasting that sweet strawberry glazed donut. That same question, whether the dreams are real and what they mean, has troubled our minds throughout history in human civilization. We can date back dream interpretation to 3000 and 4000 BC when we see interpreted dreams in clay tablets back in the Middle East. Dream interpretations are seen differently throughout civilizations according to which civilization we see. If we look back into the ancient Greeks and Romans, they saw dreams as messages sent directly from the gods. If we look back in ancient Egypt, a person who was able to see inside their dream in vivid detail was someone who had vision inside their soul and thus possibly powers outside of human realm. Now we look into the Middle Ages. People who saw their dreams were usually as messages of evil or temptation, never to be discussed. Priests, philosophers, and scribes have given way to the interpretation of dreams throughout history. Today, modern technology allows us to have years of recollected interpretations at the click of a button. Here we have the application iDream. This one allows us to say what kind of dream you had and what it means. Make sure you check out the app, now available on App Store. Nowadays, we see dreaming as a natural phenomenon, something that allows us to relive happy memories or stretch the reaches of our imagination and be places that we've never been before. So, interpreting dreams, what does it mean? I'm asking you. Investigate. And always, dream on. Thank you. The speech that I just gave can be read underneath here, so please check it out. And don't forget to subscribe.